Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Aries Placements. Okay, so let's see. Tingnan natin, no, kung sino ba itong taong walang tigil na nag-iisip sa'yo. Okay, so titingnan natin kung ano bang meron. Yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And, yes, if you're interested na magpa-private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message, okay? And syempre, pagdating sa ating mga items, so meron tayong protection from evil eye, ring, necklace, meron tayong necklace and bracelets. So ito siya. The bracelets, ito yung may initial po ha, yung adjustable. Ito yung garterized. So ito naman yung ating, asa na? Okay, yung ating evil eye necklace. So, diba? Sama-sama sila dito. So, ito yung evil eye necklace natin. Nakatalikod. Okay, so there. Mayroon siyang, ang tawag dito, extenders. Okay? And, syempre, pagdating sa love, ito yung aking pwedeng maibigay, no? Maipakita sa inyo. So, sa lahat, in general, about love, situationship, LDR kayo, kung ano man, anything about love. So, siya yung pwede kong may provide something para magkaroon ng kagaanan sa situation. And yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter is taga-grant. Na mga minamanifest and tagapagbigay ng mga surprises, no? So, yan si granter. This is unisex and this is made to order po, ha? Si granter necklace. And yung ating pang cord cut. So, for cord cutting, pag-aalis or tinatanggal natin, no? Yung mga hindi na kailangang energy na talagang nagpapabigat na lamang sa'yo. Okay? Sa situation. So, there. So, let's see, Aries. Again, don't forget, na mag-like, share, and subscribe. And kung may iba pang tanong, message na lang po. Okay? So, yeah. Aries placements. Aries. Sino ba itong tao na walang tigil sa pag-iisip sa'yo at bakit? Tingnan natin. Who is this person? Who is this person na walang tigil sa kakaisip sa'yo, Aries? The Ace of Wands. Wow. I think some of them may chance na bago. Okay? Bago. Some of them may chance na physically attractive. Whether babae, lalaki, kung ano man ang gender. Physically attractive. Yung iba sa kanila, they're into sports. Meron silang mga hobbies. No? Okay, physically fit yung iba sa kanila. Yeah, that's specific. Okay, what's with this Ace of Wands? Yung iba sa inyo, may chance na malayo siya sa'yo. Malayo. Okay. The Knight of Wands Universe. Why? What? They're passionate. At ang taong to, I don't know kung alam mo, iniisip ka nito sexually. Iniisip ka niya sexually. Okay? Pwedeng may nangyari na sa inyo ng taong to kahit wala pa man kayong label. That's specific. Bakit kanya iniisip? Maybe the sex is good. Ha? Pwedeng fellow air sign. No, not air sign. Maybe air sign. A fellow fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sag. Let's see. May ano bang magandang term? Hindi ko malaman. Kung ano bang magandang term. May pagka ganto. Okay. So, yun po ha. So, tingnan natin. Ano bang sitwasyon niya ngayon? Oo. Anong sitwasyon nito ngayon? Kasi iniisip ka ng iniisip eh. The Page of Wands. Itong taong to, hindi malabong kukunin or kinukuha niya yung mga yung attention mo. Some of them nakikipag-flirt sa'yo. They want flirt. They want... Oh my God. The High Priestess. Pero there's this no energy of pagdating sa clarity or kung ano man. They're into you actually. Gusto ka ng taong to, kaya kanya iniisip ng iniisip, Aries. Someone younger. Some of them, ha? Tinitingnan niya yung mga pictures mo. Andyan yung energy na ini-stalk ka niya. This is someone new. Yeah, this is someone new. This is not your past. Not your past. Pwedeng nagka-connect na kayo nito pero hindi pa totally like matagal na, no? May chance na parang simula pa lang. Maybe, kung hindi pa man nangyayari, may chance na may ganitong parating. Mga Aries, ha? Okay? So, this is for sabihin nating mid-Feb. This person wants to you. Okay? Whether kung ano man ang gender niya. Yeah. Thinking of you highly. Like sexually. Yeah. They play themselves while thinking of you. They're Kifiru and they're Dikiru. Oh my. Oh my. So, yeah, maikli ang reading lang to. Tingnan natin. So, situation ito, gusto niya ng they want to know you more actually. They want to know you more. Attracted physically sa'yo. Itong taong to. Wala pa ako nakukuha ng emosyon, ha? Please. So, kung makita mo man to, hindi pa sila totally invested dito emotionally. They're into, SEX, physical intimacy. Some of them. Ha? Okay? So, let's see. Their intention sa'yo, Aries, if ever. The Magician. Oo. They want to know you. Gusto ng taong tong kung ano ang gusto niya, sumunod ka. Oh my. The Ten of Wands. The Two of Wands. Gusto nito na magkaroon kayo ng pagkakaisa. Pagkakaunawaan. Ha? Aries. Again, kung wala pang label, hindi pa dapat mangyari yung mga ganitong mangyayari pa lang. We're talking about the ganito, ha? Wag muna. Kasi gusto niya lang nga yung ganun. I don't know why. I don't know kung anong meron. They're just into you. Into you physically. Okay? Physically. Physical lang to. So, let's see. Their future action towards you, Aries. Their future action. Sa totoo lang, itong taong to, hindi lang ikaw yung nagugustuhan, ha? Their future action. The Nine of Cups. Okay. Why? The Eight of Cups. They will leave you like craving for more. Yeah. They will leave you craving for more. Pahahabulin ka ng pahahabulin nito. Yes. Ang hirap tumawang mag-isa. I can't. See, the Ace of Swords. Ikaw itong maghahabol ng maghahabol sa kung anong meron, sa kung anong kailangan mo. Sagot. Clarity. Okay? Maghahabol ka sa kanya. Pahabulin ka naman niya eh. So be careful. Hanggat maaari, wag niyong gawin, ha? Wag kayong papayag. Babae ka man, lalaki ka man, kung ano naman ang gender mo. This is someone who is into, passion. Okay? Oo. So, advice for you, Aries. Advice. Outcome. The Six of Swords in reversed. And, mahirapan ka ditong lumayo. The Queen of Cups. Naku po! Huwag kang maa-attach emotionally. Ha? So, yun na nga bang sinasabi, this is totally attachment. Ha? Para kang masasabi mo na naman na, ano po kayang ginawa niya sa akin? Ba't kaya ganun yung naramdaman ko? Wala pa naman po kasi kami, pero may nangyari. Tapos ako tong parang nandun na yung love ko for that person. Patay tayo dyan. Yari na naman tayo dyan. No? Sabi na eh. Kaya kanina pa ako miya na ako nagsabi, wag mong hahayaan. May maa-attach. Emotionally. Yung isa, physical lang to. Be careful. Wag mo masyadong i-lower down, ha? Yung iyong guard pagdating dito sa taong to. Hindi pwedeng kung anong tugtog niya siyang sayaw mo. Hindi po pwede. Okay? Oo, hanggat maaari, may limit tayo dito, Aries. Keep an arm's distance from this person hanggat maaari. Have a healthy boundaries. Keep, no? Oo, yung sarili mo secured. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles. Same gender, may nakikita rin ako dito. Tapos ikaw ito, meron dito, yan. Kaya sabi ko iwasan kasi baka ikaw itong maghabol. Hindi ko nakikita itong taong to is, seryoso. Or, yeah, they're playing the field. They're just playing the field. Some of you, meron pang energy about one night stand. Yeah. And then, pag nangyari yun, maghahabol ka na, hahanapin mo na siya, ganto, ganyan. May naramdaman ka na, tumibok ang iyong puso, na mga ganong bagay. Enough. Bakit mo naman kasi hahayaan na may mangyaring ganon kung wala pa naman dapat, no? So, yun ha. Be careful. Be careful. I think this is a new person na parating pa lang. So, gawin yung gabay itong mga Aries. Okay, so kung ikaw nasa ganun ng sitwasyon, so alam mo na, nangyayari na sa'yo, huwag ka ma-attach emotionally. Kasi yung person, pwedeng hindi naman totally invested sa'yo emotionally. So, diba? So, tayo tumungo sa all signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Aries, the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. So, somebody is not available pagdating sa commitments. Taurus, they like you. Gemini, some of you there's this conflicts, no? Some of you merong energy about hindi pagkakaintindihan dito. Meron ding energy ng third party involvement. Cancer, the tower is still burning. It's burning down. It's like pinapabayaan na lang. Somebody is in pain. Maybe this Cancer yan. Leo, may chance na Hindi sila totally ready for commitments. Virgo, no attractions at all, or maybe nalilesen na yung attraction dito. Somebody is, sabihin natin, hindi confident enough sa mga gusto ring gawin pagdating sa'yo. In doubt. Libra, they're thinking of you. Scorpio, their back is turned. Sagittarius, too in and out, inconsistent. Capricorn, their back is turned. Okay? Pero, I think nandyan din yung energy about surrendering. Or, okay, bahala na. Like that. Aquarius, hindi pa totally nakaka-usad itong si Aqua. May chance na pinag-iisip ka pa rin ito, paminsan-minsan. Pisces, they just want to play. They're player. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Aries placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.